Hello, my name is Tyson Gowdy, and I'm going to go through some steps on how to animate your text and objects in a PowerPoint. First, you will want to select the object you want to animate. And then, go to the Animation tab. Next, you will want to click the drop-down arrow to see all the effects. There are 4 different categories you will see. The entrance, which happens when the object first appears, and then the emphasis, which happens while objects is on the slide, and then the exit, which will cause the object to disappear, and then lastly the motion pass, which will move the object along a path. And those will be all your choices for those 4 categories. If you want to add another effect to the already selected, you must click the Add Animation button for it to allow you to add multiple effects. And then, to preview an effect, you will click the Preview button on the side there, and it will show you what you have just done. By following the steps, you will be able to apply the animation to text and objects in a slide that you feel necessary. But also be wary and use modernization. You don't want anything too bold or distracting. Not everything will need to be animated. Thank you very much, and by following the steps you will be able to animate text and objects.